All right, now we're gonna go over how I anticipated this reversal in the crude oil futures contract. We came down into this level, and I had a strong feeling we was gonna reverse, and the retest of this previous support level was not gonna hold as resistance. And let me just scroll out, starting with the daily chart. As you can see, boom, we in stage two, and stochastics was oversold, ADX above 20. So we got a trending environment. So we pull back to this previous resistance level and this pivot point on the daily chart. On the 60-minute chart now, when we trading right around this pivot point, um, we were in stage four. Boom, we came out, started going sideways, went into stage one, and then boom, we had already reversed on the 1 minute time frame. We were trading in the supply zone, broke down to previous resistance. And so then once I look at my 10-minute chart, boom, 10-minute chart, we in stage two, uptrend, right along with the daily chart. So boom, we come down to this level, previous resistance. So, and it's the pivot point. So now I'm already looking to be a buyer down in this level. This is, we're testing the 50, the moving average. So in a strong level on the daily chart, on the 10-minute chart as well. And then boom, we come down into this level, immediately reverse it. It was such a strong level that you didn't get a chance to really, put it on unless you got aggressive and bought down here. And then we make a symmetrical triangle breakout. First breakout failed, but then boom, we come back and test this level here, and then we creep to the upside. Now, if I had to put this trade on, I'll put it on somewhere around this narrow range bar just because it's the least amount of risk and I'm sticking to the fundamentals of not buying in a supply zone. So now what I waited on was the break, and boom, we retesting that level. And if I can get some bullish forming candles on like a double test, then I'm gonna look to get long on this setup. All right, now I'm still watching this crude oil trade. Looking for a push up. I didn't buy it yet here because I just didn't feel like it stayed in that level long enough. So now, boom, I'm gonna go ahead and buy right here
Order
at the market.
filled.
I'm gonna put a stop right here. Move this up pretty tight. We're gonna see what we can get. I went ahead and got aggressive with this trade. I'm gonna set my risk to reward, and we're gonna see what we can get. I'm looking for us to close above that inverted hammer. If we do, I feel good about this trade. If we close bad, I'm gonna go ahead and scale out, start taking some off. So I'm gonna take some off right there. Since we didn't close that good of a candle. All right, boom. Definitely gonna take some off right there.
Stop filled.
All right, boom. Now I got a risk-free trade on because I'm gonna move this to break even. I'm gonna see how much I can get out of this trade. Once we close below that 8, I'll get out, or I'll just let my stop sit at break even plus 1. And boom, now I got to break um a risk-free trade on, so I
Stop
really don't
filled.
care what happens. Boom, I just got my stop hit, and I just put on a pretty decent trade, and now you can see it would have been coming down, running my stop, but I got aggressive with that entry. I usually don't even do that, getting in on an inverted hammer, but I knew we was probably gonna get some type of bounce. So now if we reclaim um this 8, then I may retake the trade, but I got in before a lot of, confirmation just because I knew I can get something out of it and see a $90 profit, which isn't bad, but probably should have took some more of that trade off when they was in profit. And that's it for this trade. I'll see y'all on the next one.